Hello Pooja, how are you? Hey Ramya, I am fine. Ramya, what did Pooja say? Nothing. She said she was fine. By the way, Pooja, what are you doing? Ramya, I have been reading a book. Ramya, what did Pooja say? What did she say? Nothing. She said that she had been reading a book. Pooja, do you know the way to library? Shall we go all together? Oh no, I don't know the way to library. Oh. What did she say about the library? Nitya, Pooja said that she didn't know the way to library. Hope you understood, children, how I have changed the direct speech into indirect speech.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Direct speech. When we convey a person's dialect directly by keeping inverted commas, we call it as direct speech. So here the person's direct words will be conveyed by keeping in inverted commas. Coming to indirect speech, it's reported by somebody. So here in direct speech, first person, second person will be there. Only two people will be there. Coming to indirect speech, third person enters and we have written Ravi says, I am fine. Here after Ravi, this is says. And here in second word, second sentence, Ravi said, I am fine. Here Ravi says, I am fine. Here Ravi said, I am fine. So how to change into indirect speech? Before changing into indirect speech, we need to look at this. What it is called as, what we learned it as? Called as
Reporting verb.
reporting verb. Whenever reporting verb is in past tense, the changes what we are going to learn is applicable. But when it is in present tense and future tense, the words which are in inverted commas will not be changed. They will be same according to this tense. So what it is tense belong to? Ravi said, he said, I like the ice cream. Tell me children.
Like I said, he liked the ice cream.
Okay, Uzma, this question is for you. He said, I am living in Paris.
He was living in Paris.
Right? Okay. Dia, Selvi, Madhu, Nikki, who wants to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
She said, I buy a car. I buy a car.
She said that he brought a car.
Srinir and Surya, Ritvik, who are ready?
I'm Ritvik, ma'am.
Ritvik. He said, I have seen the movie. He said, I have seen the movie.
He said that movie.
Very good. Ritvik, can you repeat?
He said that he had seen the movie.
Absolutely fine. Next question. Any girl I want to answer? Who will?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Right. She said, I am sick.
She was sick.
She was
She
sick.
was sick.
Very past continuous. She said, I was teaching. What it will be turning into?
She said that.
She said that she saw online.
Very good. If it is now in direct speech, what it is going to modify into?
Then.
If it is today,
That day.
here,
That night.
here. Question. Tomorrow is going to change as what?
The next day.
Perfect. Told you here, Ravi said to Ram, I am fine. Ravi said, I am fine. Here I belongs to whom, children?
Ravi.
So what is the pronoun of Ravi?
He.
That is what I wanted to show here. He said, I am cutting a tree. What is indirect form?
Was continually.
To him, you should work hard for exam.
He suggested him to work hard for exam.
Fine. Interrogative statements are two types. One is yes or no type questions, and second thing is what, children?
WH.
WH. What are these yes or no type questions starts with normally? The helping verb such as is. Is he writing exam? Yes, he is writing exam. Am I looking good? Yes.
It will start from also do. Do you like chocolates? Like
Yes,
that.
those are all coming into this yes or no type questions only. So only 3 are mentioned here. And second thing is WH type questions.
With what, why, when, where, and how.
Right. So if the question in direct speech in inverted commas belongs to yes or no type, in indirect speech, what are we going to add?
Or whether. If or whether, ma'am.
If or whether. When the question in inverted commas in direct speech belongs to WH type, yes, we are going to make WH type only. If it is how, we are going to write how only. I have collected how the direct and indirect speech related questions will be published in our final examination. Right. Look at the first question, children.
Someone asked her,
why did you choose
Calcutta?
Calcutta?
Right. Someone asked her, why did you choose Calcutta? This question was published in June 2019.